Before using the faults bender, always read the user's manual. User manual includes the thickness adjustment for the machine. Today we are going to show you how to adjust both machines for the thickness. By stock, the machines are adjusted to 0.8 mm, but today we are going to adjust them to 0.5 mm. You will need 3 rolls that are included in the casing and 2 Allen key wrenches. Firstly, cut a piece from your worksheet that you're going to use. This one is 0.5 mm. Adjusting the green tool. The one side is adjusted correctly and both rolls are spinning because the material is touching the rolls slightly. But the other side is loose and the gap between the rolls is really big, so you have to adjust the machine. For adjusting the machine, you're going to need a 5 mm Allen key wrench by loosening 4 bolts. For adjusting, we are going to need 4 mm key wrench, and by adjusting 2 black bolts, we are going to move the whole aluminium block up and down until the correct gap between the rolls is matched. The gap must be so close to the material that it is barely touching it, but it's not tightened too much. The more precise the regulation is, the better the machine is going to work. By constantly checking the gap between the rolls, we continue adjusting the machine. After adjusting the machine, we tighten the 4 bolts back. And most importantly, after tightening the bolts, you have to recheck the machine if the adjustments are correct. That's it for the green machine. Picking up the red machine and adjusting it. The process of adjusting the red tool is easier. To adjust the red machine, you have to remove 3 rolls and replace them with the ones provided. Don't mix up the rolls. Always remember that there are 3 A rolls and 3 B rolls. To be sure, check that all the same rolls are on the machine, so you don't mix them up. Don't lose your bolt. There is a spare one in the casing, in case you lose, so you have one chance to lose one. After tightening the new rolls, you have to check that they are all the same. That's the finishing adjustment for the red tool.